Your whole family really, utilizes doTERRA a lot, and I really like the citrus oil, eucalyptus as well. I use eucalyptus when I shower, just on a daily basis, like normally. So like I'm hooked to it now. I just feel so much better after doing that. Myself, the kids all use the lavender oil that kind of helps more so for our kids to get them sleeping and hopefully relaxing because they're the ones that's so high strung. I still call pregame being like nighttime before. So like when I go to bed, the lavender is a big part of it. Like I gotta, get to sleep calmly and just, really relax. So I'll feel recovered for the next day. But then, like I said, the eucalyptus, that's my go-to. Like I said, I use it, in the mornings. Maybe even throw it on before I get to the arena just to smell it, just to have my body feel awake, my mind feel awake, and be alert for the rest of the day. And everybody can make plays, everybody can shoot, everybody plays defense, nobody's selfish. Like that's the kind of team that you dream about being on. And, lucky enough, we've been able to have that kind of squad here, and like I said, guys who are just so selfless, and they care about one thing, and that's if we win or lose. And it's easy to go out there and play hard every night when you got 15 guys willing to sacrifice that and commit to that, because that's not a normal thing you find around the league.